guys, I hope you're having a wonderful weekend, getting ready for this new week. And getting already started for this new week is going to be the release of volume 2 for Trendmood Box, and I'm going to show you all the sneak peek if you're interested. That way you could just sign up. So let's just get started with those 5 products that are going to be on the box. The box, it does say that this one's going to be $54. I did share volume 1, and volume 1 was around $39. But I tried getting it, and after 15 minutes it was already gone and sold out. So this one, you have an idea exactly what's going to be in there. Sign up to Trendmood Box, register your email, so that way you get a notification early on in case you are interested of getting this box. Like I mentioned, it's going to be released on January 13 at 10 a.m. So let's start with the first sneak peek. The first sneak peek is so exciting, and that's why I love this box, because it's going to offer new products, meaning that they're going to launch a lot earlier. We're going to be able to get products before they're released, and this is one of those. As you know, Farsali has some great serums, some great products for the skin, and Farsali is releasing a new product, and this product is called this will be a different product. It's like a primer, and this is, it says it's a primer family, and it's magical, and it says bye bye to blotting and hello to liquid powder. I did see a quick demo from Farsali trying it on, and it shows you exactly. This is great for people that have oily skin. So what he did was applied it in your skin, and you keep applying it and rubbing it, this product, and it will become into a powder. That way you'll know exactly that's going to help come and control those oils for many hours. And this product is meant to oil absorbing serum that leaves behind a powder finish without the use of talc, and this will help also tighten the look of large pores. And the size of this, or the price for this product, is $54. So this is going to be released, and this will be available on January 15th. And as you see, this box is being released early on in the week, so you'll be able to get this in your hands so early on. So I'm excited that this product is the first one mentioned that's going to be in the box. Now let's go to the second product that's going to be in the box. I'm also excited for this. This one is Sigma, and you know, Sigma's brushes are such a great brush to have, especially applying your makeup. So Sigma is going to have this exclusive eye trio, and this is a collab with Trendmood, and these are going to be 3 eye brushes. They're exclusive custom made packaging, which is going to have the purple handles with the Trendmood logo. And the brushes are E25, which is a blending brush. It's also going to have E30, which is a pencil brush, which is soften and smoke out liner. And then it's going to have E35, which is taper blending brush. And all of these brushes, as you see it, all the brushes have free 2 years warranty. So I'm excited to get those as well. Skinfix is also going to be in the box, and this is going to be the Barrier Triple Lipid Boost 360 Eye by Skinfix Inc. This is a treatment using unprecedented concentrated clinical actives to target hydration, dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines around eyes and lid. This product is, I don't know if it's going to show the price for this product, but when I went to Sephora, as you see, it cost $40. And it does have, as you see, many great reviews already, many great likes, and is a way to help target the eyes. And you can see a picture before and after, and you do see a nice difference using this product. So I'm excited that this is another product that's going to be in the box. And another product, I love this brand. When I saw that this brand was going to be there, Wren Clean Skincare, I was excited because I have used some other products. And this one is also a new product. This one I believe came out recently. So this is from Wren, and this is called the Perfect Canvas Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser, and this one is meant to be a gentle yet deep cleansing treatment. It's a clean jelly oil, and it's a cleanser which is clinically proven to remove makeup, SPF, and pollution, and it's cleaning up your complexion. So I did check the Sephora website. As you can see, that is new. This one retails for $32. It has no reviews yet because it is a new product, and as you see, it does have like different type of maybe texture on the type of cleanser that it may be, but it does claim to remove the products in your skin, even including SPF. So this is more like a jelly oil cleanser, so it does look like a great product to remove all that type of all those things that are from your makeup. And lastly, I want to share with you guys something else that I'm so excited that is going to be also in the box. So Dominic Cosmetics is going to be in the box. I'm excited that we're going to be able to see a new release. It's a new release from Kristen Dominic, and this one is called the Latte 2, which is going to include 10 shades in matte, shimmery, and metallic and sparkly shades. This is such a great look at this palette. It's so pretty, and this one it won't be out till January 24. So if you're able to get your box earlier, that means you're going to be able to get this product even before it is released. So I'm excited that this is included. This nice palette that is new is going to be included in the box, and as you see, it has some neutral shades with a pop of color. A beautiful palette for anybody to have. It's such a beautiful palette, and I'm excited for that. Here you see the box are almost put together and ready to go. Like I mentioned, these are 5 products that are going to be in the box. Some of these are new releases, are new launch, and some collabs. And all of this is going to be available to purchase on January 13. Already gave you guys the time. And this box does retail for $54. The volume 1 was $40. This one is $54. Actually, I think volume 1 was $39. This one is $54, and as you will see, the prices will vary, and even the date, the release date is gonna vary as well, since this is a different type of subscription. It's more just like a launch box promoting those things that are new. As you see, there's some of those that are new in the box. So I hope that everybody's able, that really wants this box, is able to get it. So guys, I hope I get it too. So thank you for watching this video, and until the next video, bye.